Imagine looking up during a storm and seeing fish falling from the sky. It sounds impossible, but this strange event has actually happened. In some places, storms have been followed by fish scattered across streets and fields. One famous example comes from Yaro, Honduras. Locals call this incredible phenomenon the rain of fish, and they say it happens after powerful storms. But how could fish reach the sky? Scientists believe waterspouts can lift small fish into the sky, carry them through the air, and drop them far away. Crazy, right? Subscribe for more.